Let me introduce myself to you all. My name is Susantiningrum and I am in affiliation with Universitas 11 Maret. In here, me and my team with Professor Siswandari, Professor Sutarno Joyo Atmojo, and Professor Isa Mahfuha, we would like to present about our article entitled Exploring Entrepreneurship Teacher Competence in Vocational Secondary School, an Indonesian Context. Here is the structure of presentation. There are introduction, research method, literature review, result, discussion, and conclusion, and finally acknowledgement. For introduction, I want to tell you about three-level education in Indonesia, namely primary, secondary, and higher education. And for the secondary level, we have two kinds of school. There are senior secondary school and vocational secondary school, and the study are focused on vocational secondary school. As we know that the learning outcome of vocational secondary school are ready to work and ready to be entrepreneurs. So in here, the alumni prepare not just to be a job seeker, but to become a job creator. The objective of the research is we want to know about the administrative requirement to become an entrepreneurship teacher and what the competence that must be mastered by entrepreneurship teacher and what the effort to achieve the competencies. Now we move to research method. The qualitative approach adopted in this study, technique of collecting and analyzing data using structured interviews and focus group discussion. This is the demographic indicator of the FGDs. The discussion was guided in three stages of activity, namely introductions, key topics, and closing. This is refers to Hourglass design of FGDs guide. Literature review. In the literature review, we discussed about entrepreneurship teacher competencies between several theories. Result, discussion, and conclusion. Result of FGDs set up based on the key themes of the FGDs guide, and we have already analyzed all of response from the FGDs participant into three themes. For the first theme about administrative requirement, the entrepreneurship teacher must have one of the professional certified on entrepreneurship or productive teacher. And for the second theme about entrepreneurship teacher competencies, there are three competences have been mastered by the entrepreneurship teacher. Knowledge, skill, and attitudes in the entrepreneurship areas, especially experiences on the various entrepreneurship activities. And the third theme about effort to achieve the competencies, there are three kinds of activities can be done is entrepreneurship training, internship in entrepreneurship area, and set up on business. For the discussion, we have point that the result confirm that the most important competencies to become an entrepreneurship teacher is their experiences on the various entrepreneurial activities. In here, in line with the previous studies that suggest the experiences on entrepreneurial activities will increase three aspects of the personal competencies. There are knowledge, skills, and attitudes. Based on that, we conclude that the teacher must have the knowledge, skill, and attitude in entrepreneurship and do many experiences on the various entrepreneurship activities to strengthen it. Finally, for the acknowledgement, the authors gratefully acknowledge Universitas 11 Maret for funding the research and thank you for Pusat Pengembangan Kewirausahaan LPPM UNS for helping the smooth implementation of all sessions of FGDs. Thank you.